Hey there, y'all. It's Melanie Ferguson with Southern Crush at Home, where I hope to inspire you to create and decorate a home that you love. I was just looking for my famous share block. I am so tonight we're going to do a super fun project. I think it's going to be fun because I've been waiting for a long time to do this, and I thought tonight would be the perfect night to do this. As you hop on and say hey, I am going to just get some little prep work done while everybody's getting on. So I don't know how many of you guys are struggling with germs in your house, but I'm, like I've already told y'all before, a complete germaphobe. I don't wear like rubber gloves around my house or anything like that, but I try to keep everything pretty clean. And so this is what I've been using to clean with because it's 91%, however you say the word, alcohol. So I have been using this on everything, but what I've been doing is putting it in this bottle. So this is a regular bottle for alcohol too, and it is almost out, and I wanted to load it back up. Y'all, okay, am I the only one here? Am I the only one? I can't get this open. Oh, got it. I like the smell. I like the smell. Y'all, it's like everything. It's like markers and all the things. I love the smell. So I have been known to just sometimes, if I want to, I'll just spray it in the air. I just spray it in the air so it smells like it's clean. Okay, so there's that. Little secret. Anyway, this is what I've been using to clean all the surfaces in my house and the doorknobs and all the things. But we're going to use it tonight in our project too. So I wanted to load up my squirt bottle so that I have it. Hey Amy, hey Maria, hey Melanie, nice name, and Jaton, how are you all? And Kathleen. All right, so this is just rubbing alcohol and it smells divine. It smells like we're clean. So we're having a clean project here. Oh, Gail, it gives her a headache. Well, you know, potato, right? All right, so this is just a plate from the Dollar Tree, guys. It is just a regular plate from the Dollar Tree, but it's got the cute little, there we go. How can I get this to you? There we go. The little bitty beads around the edges. And so it makes it look like a nicer than $1. It makes it look nicer than $1. How many of you guys have seen these or grabbed one of these? My Dollar Tree, this was the last one they had. I bought this a few weeks ago and it was the very last one they had. So I'm just going to squirt the top of it with just like a light spray. And really we're just prepping it. We're just getting it clean, getting it cleaned off. Yeah, you can't find any. I had to go to 2 different stores. It was no problem because I enjoyed shopping at both of them. There's a little something black on the middle of this, but I don't know if it's I don't think it's gonna hurt it. Sharon, I crack you up. Hey Casey, hey Aaron and Gina, how are you, my friend? And Miss Talisa, you grabbed some. Yes, because these are just like, these are really nice, precious. Sorry, y'all. I thought I could get it off. There's like a little bitty dot. I don't know if you can see it. There's a little bitty dot right there in the middle. It's making me crazy, but it's going to be fine. So this is prepped. This is prepped as good as it's going to get. And then we are going to use some products that are new to me. So I am really, really excited about sharing them with you. I think they're still in stock. I didn't put the link yet. I will go back and put the link. But these are some really cute stencils from a maker studio. And I'm going to use the Always Grateful because we're going to make a platter out of this. It's going to be Always Grateful. And a maker studio recently, last month, came out with these really awesome, wait now, Wait now, I'm seeing another stencil in here that I might prefer. I'm gonna have to have your help. They recently came out with these ceramic paints, okay? They're ceramic paints, and they become permanent when you bake them on a low temp, okay, to set them. So I'm excited to use ceramic paints tonight. Give me some hearts if you're excited to see how the ceramic paints turn out on this dish. Okay, I'm liking all of these. Okay, thankful, grateful, blessed. Thankful, grateful, blessed. Talisa loves the pumpkin. I do too, but we're totally going to go with a saying. Let me get my scissors. I didn't have them handy. Okay, I'm going to cut the pumpkin off just so that the two are separated and I can see what we're working with. You guys be sure to sprinkle tonight. So this was the pumpkin Talisa was talking about. I adore the pumpkin too. It is just precious. These all come in one pack. This is what the pack looks like, guys. It has the thankful, grateful, blessed, and then just the little blessed, which is right here. We used that before with our etching. And then it comes with the pumpkin and always grateful. So it's a lot of stencils. I want to say this was like $15. I don't remember. But if they're still in stock, I'm going to give you the link. It's southernCrushAthome.com/AMS. M as in Mary, S as in Sam. Okay, so we're choosing between the first one and the second one. This is always grateful, and that was the one I was thinking of using. Or thankful, grateful, blessed. Which one do you guys think I should pick? Thankful, grateful, blessed, says Jaton. Give me some more votes here. Which one do you think that would look best? Thankful and blessed. Oh, this one, Talisa? Always grateful and blessed. Y'all are confusing me because they're really very, very similar. So we're just gonna say either always or thankful. Always or thankful. That's a great idea. The pumpkin in the middle and the words around it. Someone said that. But I don't know. I don't think I'm going to be, I don't want to sound terrible, but I don't think I'm going to be talented enough to get the words around it all right. So we're going to go with one of them. Talisa says thankful, grateful, and blessed. All three. And I think I agree because look, this kind of fills up the plate more, y'all. It fills up the plate. Someone else said, Pam says always grateful. That's just going to be like a little thing in the middle of the plate, which is really cute too. I'm getting lots of the thankfuls. Lots of votes for the thankful. All right, I think we'll go with the bigger, I don't know, y'all. I'm so torn. Y'all are going to make me so, Does the round one fit? Thankful, grateful, blessed. Does the round one fit? Always grateful. Always grateful. This is the one I initially was going to use. I think I'm going to go with this one because this is the one I initially was going to use, and I loved the little feathered look right here. I like the other one, but it takes up a little more space than I think I want to have on here. So we're going to get started with this, and we're just going to peel the transfer off. I'm going to do my best to get it centered, and I'm going to try to cover up that dot that's on here, and it landed perfectly, guys. So I'm just using this little spatula just to kind of get it flattened on here. Got a hair on me. That's always fun. What have you guys been doing at home today? You guys saw me outside earlier today, enjoying the sunshine. It was super windy, so my hair's all. Okay, so this is on here, and we are going to use the ceramic paint. Give me some hearts to get started on the ceramic paint. This is what it looks like, and it just says A Maker Studio ceramic paint, and it is in the color black. Thank you, Gayleen. Thank you, Gayleen. Okay. How am I going to do this, y'all? I didn't bring a plate or anything to get it off with. So I'm just going to, I'm going to put it straight on the spatula. Straight on the spatula. There was something else I didn't, oh, you know what? I have the winners from our bunny contest, the bunny naming contest. They're already marked. So I will post that after this video so that you guys can know from last night. And the name I'm going to name the bunny is none of the winners. I made up my own name for the bunny, guys. And don't laugh at me at all, but it's been a long day and I don't remember what the name is, but I have it written down right over there. Okay, so here goes the ceramic paint. We're just going to do it like a regular stencil. Regular stencil right like this. And then it's no rush, but when I'm finished putting the paint on here, I can put it in the oven. And there's specific directions for the temperature and the length of time. And I don't have them on me right here, but I can definitely come back and tell you. And it cures it. It cures it. So I love that this is going to be permanent when we're done. It's different from chalk paste, guys. It's different from the chalk paste. It's going on a lot more wet, almost like the inks. And I think I'm going to get away with that little tiny bit because it's really all it's taking. I think the key is just to keep it, to get it on the corner and leave it just on the corner. I'm going to get a little bit, maybe get a little bit more, y'all. I'm feeling like I'm being way too frugal. Let me get a little bit more, almost done. Okay. June is busy crafting bunnies. How fun. Speaking of crafting, are you guys in Crafting on a Dime yet? Crafting on a Dime is our most exciting next thing. And it starts next week, guys. Talisa is going to be one of our presenters. I'm super excited. You're not going to want to miss a thing. What is that sound? I don't even know. Do y'all have full houses? If you have a full house, then you probably have sounds that you don't recognize either. You're like, what is that coming from? Okay, so that's it for the ceramic paint. I'm going to put the lid back on. I don't know. I'm going to guess it dries out easily. And then we're just going to peel it off together, and I'm going to show you where we are because we are not done yet. Okay. Are you using gel paint? No, Janet. This is ceramic paint. This is ceramic paint. So I'm feeling like it's not on here thick enough. I'm going to put it back down ever so carefully, and I'm going to give it one more little coat. Oof, I just scraped it. Did y'all hear that? Yeah, that's funny, Evelyn. Okay. I'm just going to add a little bit more. I don't even know where. I think like right there was missing some. None of it was really missing any. It just didn't seem thick in some of the places. And that's what happens when you get too squeamish about how much you're using. Okay, I'm just going to go for it again. And there is our stencil with the ceramic paint. I think it's straight. Y'all, is it straight? Anyway, this is where we are so far. And I'm just trying to think. Okay, I'm not going to be able to finish it, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to finish it because I just thought about it. I gave myself a second and I thought about it. And I need to go ahead and bake this for the 5 minutes or whatever that it takes before I glue it to the base. But this is what we are going to plan on doing to finish it. I have my E6000. Voila. You guys know about E6000. It can glue anything and everything. And then I got the matching bowl for the platter from the Dollar Tree. So this was $1 as well. Super, super cute. Yes, I can't see the black mark either, Betty. It covered it perfectly. And then I'm going to turn this upside down. I know a lot of you have seen this done before. We're going to glue the bottom edge of the bowl, and we are going to make a riser out of it. We're going to make a riser out of it. How cute is that? So once I finish curing the plate in the oven, and then I glue this E6000 and let it dry overnight, I'm going to style this for you guys so you can see it in its full glory at some time. So yes, this is super fun. $2, well, and the stencil, but I use the stencil all the time on tons of different projects, so I almost don't count it. We'll add a couple dollars for the stencil. And the ceramic paint, because you want a specific paint for this, not just any paint will do. And then we're going to bake it and we're going to put it together. All right, so this is the fun project. Let me just see if I have it on here straight. There we go. Yes, I missed the name of the person who asked, but once this is cured, it is dishwasher safe, even though you probably prefer to hand wash it, and it is food safe. So this ceramic paint, you know I can't read, it's permanent, and it is dishwasher safe and food safe, which makes it amazing. I probably won't put this in the dishwasher just because it's going to be bulky and strange once I have the base on it. It's going to be more like a cake plate, but I'll probably use it to put cookies, or I might use it for a wreath around the top and then have it just for display. I'm not really sure exactly. How would I clean the stencil? I just use water. I just use water to clean the stencil, soak it for a couple seconds, and then I can use it for the next project. The stencil and the paint is going to be a link that I will add here in a minute, but also it's southerncrustathome.com/AMS. What temp and for how long? I'll put the directions on here. Y'all caught me off guard. I will put the directions on here in the description as soon as we pop off. You got those plates and bowls a few months ago and never thought to make a cake dish out of it. Well, Judy, welcome to this idea. I can't even remember who all I saw this. I feel like my friend Heidi did this, but I feel like I saw it 2 or 3 other places before hers even. So this is kind of a popular thing, but I love if I'm the first one to share it with you. It is so adorable, guys. It is so cute. And it would be cute just like this. But I think the stencil kind of sets it off. So yes, watch the replay. craftingonadime.com. We're going to be doing more and more inexpensive DIYs for the people that are in that group, guys. Just like this. This was $2 and the stencils. So anyway, you guys have a fun evening. I hope you enjoyed this. I will give you guys the directions and the links and the after as soon as I get to bake it and put this on. So I appreciate you. Bye.